Hello and welcome to your 2-minute tour of 14 Mountain View Crescent in Mount Warren Park. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, 2-lock-up property currently for rent through Algae Huckabee. It is situated in a nice and secure gated community close to schools. As soon as you step through the door, you have easy access to the double lock-up garage and the first bedroom, which features ceiling fans and two-way access to the main bathroom. In addition to ceiling fan and access to the main bathroom, bedroom 1 also has built-in wardrobe. The second bedroom is still located in the front of the house, also with ceiling fan and built-in wardrobe. You could easily fit a double bed in here. Bedroom 3, once again, a built-in wardrobe and ceiling fan situation. A view of the main bathroom on the other side here shows a walk-in shower and separate bathtub, perfect for getting ready and bathing kids. Beside that main bathroom is the separate toilet and laundry room and linen cupboard. This large living space can be used as either a dining room or a living room with sliding glass doors and ceiling fan. Another view from the corner here shows you just how big this living space is. The kitchen features plenty of cupboard space and a spot for a double fridge. The microwave nook will keep the bench free of clutter, making more available workspace. The fourth bedroom here is the master with ceiling fan, walk-through closet and ensuite. This second, also large living space can also double as a living room and dining room. This little alcove here can be a perfect spot for a little breakfast table. Lovely view of the yard for your morning coffee. Second view here just shows around the corner of the living space, air conditioning, and then through back to the dining room and kitchen. Lovely backyard at this property with a nice patio and fire pit for entertaining, perfect for barbecues and having family and friends over, nice flat yard and easy to maintain. And with this view of the backyard, that concludes our property tour of 14 Mountain View Crescent in Mount Warren Park, currently for rent through Algae Huckabee. All inquiries, please visit our website.